Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily change your Flair on Reddit mobile, so let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to need the mobile app, go ahead and make sure you have it updated, and then after that open it. From here choose a thread that you want to make a post in, and then tap on create in the bottom right here. In this place you'll need to set up your post, the title and the body text of the post, and right here you'll find the tags and the flares. Now tap there, then from here tap on view all Flair if there are any more, and let's say my post is funny, so I go ahead and tap on humor right here, and then tap on apply in the top right corner, and the Flair has been added to my post just like that. Now let's say I want to change the Flair of a previous post that I have posted. I go ahead and tap right here, tap on my profile to see all of your posts. Let's say this post is the one that I'm looking for, tap on it, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on change post Flair, and then choose one of the flares right here, and then tap on apply in the bottom right. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.